Hi everyone, I'm Thibaut from MongoDB. The next frontier for AI isn't simply more capable models, it's better context. Search and retrieval are foundational to this shift, and embedding and reranking models are core components of modern retrieval systems, driving the accuracy of search, RAG applications, and AI agents. In this video, I'm pleased to introduce the Embedding and Reranking API on MongoDB Atlas. This service provides Voyage AI's state-of-the-art retrieval models right within Atlas. The API can be used with any tech stack, or you can combine it with other Atlas services such as Atlas Databases and Atlas Vector Search to consolidate your AI retrieval stack. So let's get started. First, I will log into MongoDB Atlas, and once logged in, you do have access to a new menu item called AI Models. And here you can manage all your model API keys, and just to show you, I'm going to create a new model API key. I can copy it, and that's it. That's all you have to do to get access to Voyage AI models within Atlas. So let's get back to the notebook. In this notebook, I'm going to show you a typical RAG application, ingesting data from Wikipedia and asking questions about it. So to do so, I am providing the Atlas connection string, giving access to MongoDB Atlas databases and vector search, and the model API key I just created to get access to Voyage AI models. Once the data is ingested, typically in a RAG application, you need to chunk the data, split the data. In that case, I'm going to use a recursive split strategy, and I'm going to increase the chunk size slightly so that the chunk size are correct. Once it is done, I can go to the indexing step. That step is where we use an embedding model to embed the chunks into vector embeddings. So to do that, I'm going to use Voyage for large and using the new Embedding and Reranking API on MongoDB Atlas. I'm going to load the data into MongoDB, and as you can see, once loaded, the documents contain the text field containing the text of the chunk, as well as the embedding field with the vector generated using the embedding model. The next step is the query and generation, the last step. And that's where we can ask questions. In this step, we need both models, an embedding model and a generative model, which is Claude in that case. I'm still going to use Voyage for large in that case, and I'm going to ask a question and send. In that case, we are going to use Atlas Vector Search to retrieve the most relevant documents to the query and send those documents along with the query to the LLM to get a grounded response. And that's what happened here. So all those steps have been performed using Atlas Vector Search and the new Embedding and Reranking API on MongoDB Atlas, unifying all the different components needed for AI retrieval. So let's get back to MongoDB Atlas. In addition to managing model API keys, you can monitor the usage, the tokens for text embeddings, and the pixels for multimodal embeddings. And you can also manage rate limits for all the models, including the re-rankers models. You can now unify your AI retrieval for AI apps and agents in MongoDB Atlas. Get started today. The first 200 million tokens are free on the latest models. Thank you.